So we can show some examples here of typical applications. As you can see here, the force gauge has a threaded shaft to which you would mount one of our grips or a custom-made grip, which is often done as well. And the test stand has a matrix of threaded holes here that you can mount your grip as well. So we can show an example of a medical device test. We can test this syringe here to see how much force it takes for the plunger to move through the housing. We have a special fixture that we made for that application here, which will thread onto the gauge. Step back. And one of our wedge grips can be used on the bottom. We're just going to go ahead and exit the menu, move the test stand up, and on the fly you can press the max or min button to go at max or minimum speed, or the set speed, which is currently set to 10 inches per minute. We mount the lower grip like so. And then you would mount the sample in here, open up the grip, now when I move the test stand up and down, you'll be able to see the force being shown on the display of the force gauge here. So let's move it up. And you'll see that this is requiring about 1 pound of force to pull the plunger up in the housing of the syringe. You can reverse. Now let's say I wanted to cycle this. So as described before, we would go into the menu and go to the cycling function here. Let's say we want 2 cycles. You would press enter, escape, and save the changes. I would adjust my limit positions here. And let's go at max speed just to make sure this goes nice and quickly. It will cycle down, cycle up, and do this twice. And now the 2 cycles are completed.